Yes, hello, Shomya. Here's Steffen. Thank you very much for your invitation today. Yes, we are printing T-shirts and stuff like this since 30 years now. And we started with graduation T-shirts, and later we printed a lot for companies. And the business grew up all the time. Now we have 10 to 12 employees. And yes, now we want to digitalize a little bit more. Yes, so we started very small, and now we want to grow up and continue with you as a partner to have more online possibilities and yes, to be ready for the future, let's say. Okay. No, we were looking for years for a good web-to-print solution, and the major reason to look for web-to-print solution in the first place was to automate and streamline our workflow. And we faced challenge to manage our workflow and informations when our business was expanding. Like I told you, we started very small, and now we have more and more employees. The more jobs we were getting, the more employees we needed on the telephone and for the email support. I think everybody knows this and problem. So the main problem is to connect all the informations of every employee he got of the customers, and very often those important informations get lost because we didn't have a formal system to store those infos, and due to that we were making mistakes. This was expensive, and we were wasting a lot of time to rectify those mistakes. That's why we were looking since a longer time for a good solution for us. In this search we found many web-to-print solutions, but none were pertinent to textile screen printing, like we are doing this. And our goal is to make the connection and communication between our print shop and our customers easier and faster, and so also more cost effective. Well, when you ask me how global pandemic, for example, now in the Corona time, there we had a lot of time to think about everything, about our internal workflow. So this Corona time hit us very hard in our business, like many other offline businesses. Most of our customers are business customers, so we supply customers who have also had to close or interrupt their business. For example, no music concerts or sporting events that require printed textiles. If I had implemented web-to-print earlier, I believe that I could have broadened the scope of our product offering and curb the loss faced due to lost offline businesses. For example, we changed our product line last year to face masks. We printed them for companies, and we made a lot of jobs. But I think if I would have earlier the online solution, we could sell much more and to get much more jobs. So this possibility we missed, and now we are doing this. So a web-to-print solution for us is a solution to better survive future closings of the economy, but we also want to position ourselves better in the market in order get a competitive advantage through faster responses to customer requests and a faster and smoother internal workflow, as well as reporting processes. Also to speed up, let's say, it is very important because the delivery times should be shorter. Most of the customers are demanding of this. time is always less, and we have to be faster and faster. So we are expecting new customers and increasing sales with the system in the next 6 to 12 months with a better market position. So we hope to continuously improve our customer contacts, resulting in boost in our print orders. So for both sides, it should go smoother, let's say, the workflow. When we came to decision making, we chose the all-in-one designer from DesignNBuy, because in this package we find the most interesting solutions. It's not only to offer online or an online designer for the final customer, but also for example, for us, it is very important, the quick edit, which allows professional customers to place any order much more faster. They don't have to call us, the upload is very fast. So in addition, the management options in the backend of Magento are very well thought out. So this is in the all-in-one designer. Also a big point was what was important for us, because only an online designer, it's not the whole solution, let's say. So we can immediately, that this tool was programmed by people who are very familiar with this printing industry.
Appreciate, Steffen, that you really liked our solution, and I'm very sure that it will help you a lot in the future. I'm looking forward to it, to work with you and see you more succeed in your business. So I would like to ask you one thing, like how was your experience working with our DesignNBuy team so far?
So the DesignNBuy team, I think it's full of specialists. So everybody has a special skill and can help in every situation, like programming, training, advice or improvement requests, who can help you quickly and easily. So that gives great confidence in the whole package. The DesignNBuy team has been supporting from the very start. When I approached them, our first contact with DERAJ was very friendly, and we got a lot of informations. In this first session, he introduced to me the different solutions of DesignNBuy. It's not only one solution, they are different. And this, it was not clear from the beginning for me. And he explained the future possibilities also given by all the products and modules we can choose. And then in the next meeting, by adopting a consultative approach to understand my pain areas, he suggested me the agile solution for better value creation in my business. So once done, we started directly the training. I did together with an employee, because there are a lot of information and possibilities to configuration this powerful Magento system. This is very powerful, and yes, you need a little bit help to understand it. And but there I have to say at this point very much thank you also to Satish and Akib. They helped me a lot. They gave me a big support, and I have to say that they have endless patience for me with all my questions. And now we want also to customize some the details in the online designer, and for that I'm in contact with Dromil. He's perfectly, he understands me perfectly, and he will implement our wishes in the technical way.
Great, great, Stefan. I'm very glad that we could help you. And I would request you to help, your fellow printers too. If you have any suggestions for them, or if you have any recommendations for them when they are looking to start their digitalization journey.
Yes, okay. I think for the very important message for the fellow print service providers is that it's very important to know what your customer wishes are, and then you need a precise roadmap on how to implement web to print in an internal process. So you should make a script, and only not to lose the line you want to do it. Using these parameters, you can then plan your implementation, and so you will make a goal with a web-to-print solution. So DesignNBuy also has different approaches. I highly recommend to go with them, as they won't only be a solution partner, but they will be your growth partner too. So also for the future, it's not you buy something and then you are ready. No, they are continuously with you.
Right, Stefan. Thank you very much for your kind words, and thank you very much for sharing this insightful information. I'm sure it will really help and inspire other printers to start their journey with web to print or online platforms. So really, really thank you very much.